How to add trust badges to Shopify product page. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. After opening the link, you can simply install the app. Make sure you are logged in. As you can see here, setup guide, we need to activate these three steps. Activate app embed in Shopify. Click on open theme settings. As you can see, it is enabled. Now click on save. As you can see, the first step has now completed. Then proceed to second step. Click on create a new badge. I am adding trust badges for product page. Click on this. Here you can see badge type, single banner, icon block, minimal icons, payment icons. If you want a single banner, you can click it here. If you want icon block, you can see here free shipping, easy returns, secure checkout. If you want minimal icon, choose this. If you want payment icons, you can choose this. I have selected icon block. After that, you can change the name as well. Here you can remove the icon as well. If you want to upload a custom icon, you need to upgrade to better plan. If you want call to action, click button. As you can see, shop now. You can link to the product page, collection page as well. Now click on design. Here you can select the template as well. After that, you can change the color as well. You can change the icon size as well. From here you can change the color as well. You can change the background color as well. You can change the font as well. After that, click on placement. Now you can add these trust badges for all products, for specific products as well. If you want for specific products, select product. I want for this product, let's say, click on add. If you want custom position, you need to first save or publish to show badge ID and code snippet. Then click on save. After that, click on publish. Your badge was successfully published to your store. The trust badge are now showing. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my LinkedIn profile or send me an email. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.